A boy went to a grocery shop, taken all the items that were listed, and then stand in a queue. While he was waiting in a queue at a billing session, he took out his phone and trying calling a lady. The man behind the boy was listening to the conversation. The boy said on a phone, "Lady, can you give me the job of cutting your lawn?" Woman answered at the other side of the phone, "Dear, I already have someone to cut my lawn." Boy again said, "Lady, I will cut your lawn for half the price of the person who cuts your lawn now." Woman said, but I am very satisfied with the person who is presently cutting my lawn." The boy said very affirmatively in a strict voice, "Lady, I will even sweep your curb and your sidewalk, so on the Sunday you will have the prettiest lawn with your family. You can spare your best time there." Woman then gets irritated and said, "No, thank you. I am satisfied with the boy that is cutting my lawn now. So I don't want to change a person." With a smile on his face, the little boy replaced the receiver. The store owner or the man behind the boy who was listening to all this walked over the boy, tapped on his shoulder and said, "Son, I like your attitude. I like the positive spirit and would like to offer you a job." Boy said, "No, thanks." The man behind him was surprised. He said, "But you were really pleading for one." Boy said, "No, sir. I was just checking my performance at the job I already have. I am the one who is working for that lady I was talking to." Students, moral of the story is, this is what we call self-appraisal. Every time if we don't get ahead of others, we blame others for it. We should look to ourselves and compare, find our own weaknesses and work hard to throw away the weaknesses. Always work hard, honest and with full dedication. It will always pay up. Even if you are studying, taste yourself, give test series and be answerable to them. If you practice the test, then you will definitely do good in your final examination. So this is the very high time. Just you have 55 to 60 days of your exam. Complete your portion, complete your revision and start testing yourself. It's very high time for self-appraisal, self-evaluation. So dear students, don't forget to test your own self. All the very best. Stay.